We're here trying to demonstrate how not to boil water in a Kelly kettle and see what happens when you overboil water with the cork put in. Oh, there you go. That's the explosion. Can you imagine that if you were stood or sat in front of that and all that red hot water exploded out of the front of it? Let's just take this off first. Safe way of lifting it up so you don't burn your fingers. Take that off the heat. The kettle's boiled, all done. Safe and sound. There's the hobo stove it was cooking on, and my shadows, all safe, so you don't have to.